What's up, beautiful people? It's your homegirl, Shameless, all up in your building with another tech talk. And in this video, I break it down with you on how to photograph food. Oh, so yummy, beautiful, glorious food. This video is sponsored by Thrive Market, which is one of the largest online retailers for non-GMO organic options. And they make healthy eating easy and affordable. And you can get everything from chips. I'm gonna use this in the video. Coconut chips, vanilla, granola, all of it. It comes packaged in recycled packaging, and they have everything from food to household items to pet supplies to cleaning supplies, all of that. So if you're looking to save money, time, you don't wanna use gas, you don't have to look for parking, you don't lug your groceries all up the stairs, Thrive. Check it out. Without further ado, let's get into these tips now. How to photograph food. The first step is all about styling and props. Textures like this home accessory are perfect. Fabrics, which can bring layers and personality to your photos, even a chopping board. I also love textured backdrops like this that I made from a black foam board that I got from the 99-cent store, chalk, and a good rub down. And this technique looks great in photos. Also, there's your traditional backdrop paper. You can get this at your local pro camera store, and there are tons of colors to choose from, as well as tapestry. For flat lays, I do recommend getting these tiles that you can buy at your home hardware store. It's a good trick for faking a marble table, especially if you don't want to dirty yours up with nuts and fruits, which are also perfect garnishes, which add a stylized element to your shot. I also do suggest using smaller plates, that way your food fills up the space easily. It's all about fiddling and having fun, so keep doing that until you get that shot. Get that lighting right, boo. Get her right. I like to use natural lighting, so I have my table right next to the window, and I actually have a curtain which is acting as a natural diffuser for my shot. Now the point of this is to make the shadows less harsh. So by diffusing the light, it makes it nice and soft, and it gives the image more range, especially in post when you're trying to edit. But again, depending on what you're trying to get, you can go for that bam shadow, which I'm doing here for a more dramatic evening dinner shot that I achieved with an LED light, and I'm using an umbrella to soften the already harsh shadows. I got this from a home hardware store for $10. Info in the info box below. There's no right or wrong, it's just what you want. What are her angles? Get low to get the shot, especially for drinks. If you're pouring milk into a coffee, that's cute. Overhead shots, I'm using a C-stand, and I use a camera bracket on my C-stand, and that's how I get the overhead shot. This is just the way that I achieve it. There are others. Now, if you don't want to spend money, you don't need any of this. What you do need is a tripod. Get you a tripod. You don't need a C-stand, you don't need a lateral arm. You can get lower back problems if you do too much stress trying to get that shot with your back. If you act as the tripod, you don't have to do all that work. Get your tripod out, make your tripod work for you, okay? That's why you bought it. I highly recommend a remote, so you don't have to shake the camera once the camera is on a tripod. Foam board, yes, get you some foam board. Foam board is great. It's a natural bounce. You can bounce light off it. You could fill in shadows. Now this foam board I got from the 99-cent store. Perfect. And finally, if you're using your iPhone to capture food photography, which you absolutely can, use the AE lock, which stands for auto exposure. Press and hold and drag the slider either up or down. Boos, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, make sure you thumbs up. Also, turn your notifications on so you know when I upload a new video. And again, thank you, Thrive Market. For those of you that are looking to save money, time, you want to eat healthy, you might not have those options at your grocery store, get you on Thrive. There's a link in my info box to save you 25% off, and they already have 25 to 50% off retail prices. Thank you again for watching. Turn your notifications on so you know when I upload a new video. And if you do take photos, tag me on Instagram at Maya's World and use the hashtag MayaTechTalk, okay? Until next time, remember to do you, be you, and stay true, boo. Be shameless.